Construction of nets of 3D shapes. So nets are 2D shapes that when folded can enclose a 3D object. You might have used them before to make like paper dice for games and stuff like that. Nets can be used though in math to help find surface area easier because you can kind of unfold a 3D shape to 2D so you can see all the different sides easier. You can also have multiple nets for the same object that are all true. So let's go through the steps to draw out a net. So we're going to do an example of a square pyramid. To the right I've shown kind of a top view and a side view. A square pyramid is kind of the classical Egyptian pyramid you'd think about. It has a square base and 4 triangle sides. So our first step is to draw the base of the shape. Or classically you could think of like what side it sits on. So this is like the bottom, and in our case that's a square because it's a square pyramid. In our second step we're going to connect the open sides. So in this case we have 4 open sides here. With the joining sides. And repeat until all sides are shown. So in this case, each of these sides has something else connected to it. So we simply draw in what that connection is. In this case, it's going to be our 4 triangles that make up the other faces. If there was another shape or another side, we might have it connected to one of these triangle pieces because they all have open lines. Let's do another kind of different example with a triangular prism. So a triangular prism is a prism with 2 triangle bases on either end and 3 rectangular sides. So a quick kind of shape of one of these looks like this. It also could be kind of reminiscent of a tent. So first we're going to draw our base, which was just a rectangle. Next we're going to draw on sides that are connected to our rectangle. So from our rectangle we have the 2 triangles on the end, and we have another rectangle on each side. Now this is one form of this net. However, there's other ways we could show this. We could also show it like this. You could have both triangles down here. So this is just some different ways we can draw nets. And like I said, they can be very convenient for making 3D objects in real life from paper or for helping to figure out surface area.